Right now, we're seeing travel sentiment sitting at a neutral score of 0, with no momentum shift over the past 24 hours. What stands out is the unusual stability amidst fluctuating historical trends, often driven by seasonal travel spikes or global events. Our API returns detailed insights about sentiment, including semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind what people are saying. For instance, you could leverage this data to enhance a travel recommendation engine, ensuring it aligns with current public sentiment and sentiment shifts, despite this moment of stability. Stay ahead by diving deeper into how sentiment influences travel decisions. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs to start integrating this data into your applications.